How to pass the call center interview only in just one day, even if you're not good in English or if you have no work experience. This is going to be a quick, easy, and simple guide. Have you ever tried walking in a call center interview and you felt like you just teleported in a totally different planet? Don't worry. Today, in this video, I'll show you the steps on how to pass any call center interview only in just one day, even if you're not good in English or even if you have no work experience. By the way, guys, my name is Coach Snake. I've been a call center agent for more than 10 years now, and I've helped Filipinos get a call center agent job even if you are not good in English. So if you want a free one-on-one call center coaching with me, just message me the number 1 on my Facebook page. There's a link down on the description box below, and I'll see you on my training. So I remember my friend John before, when he first went on his first call center interview, he froze and he said, yes, no, maybe, for 5 whole minutes. And he said, well, at least I didn't faint. The next day, he followed a simple one-day formula. He practiced and boom, he got hired on the spot on his next interview for just one day. And today, I'm gonna give to you that same exact formula. Step 1, plug and play answer. Just focus on these 3 main questions. Tell me something about yourself, why should we hire you, and how do you handle irate customers? Question 1, tell me something about yourself. Simple answer. Hi, my name is Nick. I'm from Hinubaan Negros Occidental. I took up Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics from Silliman University. I am a fast learner and I'm very eager to learn new things. And my favorite hobby is watching English movies and talking to different people. That is all. So first, start with your name, where are you from, and if you don't have any work experience yet, it's very important you say that you are a fast learner and that you are eager to learn new things. Also, it's best to add a favorite hobby and always end your answer with that is all. And always remember to never ever say anything bad about yourself, but instead what you need to do is you need to sell yourself to the interviewer. Question 2, why should we hire you? So I like this kind of question because this is a bonus question. Why? Because you can say everything good about you. Here is my sample answer. You should hire me because I am a very hardworking and dedicated person. I am flexible and I can adapt to any new environment quickly. And helping other people is my passion. That is all. Question 3. How do you handle irate customers? Sample answer. I handle irate customers with extreme patience. First, I stay calm. Second, I listen carefully. Third, I build rapport. And lastly, I solve their problem as quickly as possible. That is all. Step 2. Mental preparation. Number 1, before any interview, always take a deep breath. Number 2, always say to yourself that you are confident and that you got this. You can do this. Number 3, smile and think of the interviewer just like you're talking to a friend. Because by the end of the day, the interviewer is just like another human being, like you and me. Step number 3, one-day practice. So what you will do in the morning is you need to practice and read your answers aloud at least 3 times. And in the afternoon, record yourself and listen to your answer. Now in the evening, try to practice interview role play with your friend or a family member. Just always remember that repetition is what's gonna make your answers sound more naturally and for you to sound more confident. The more you practice, the faster it is for you to improve. Step number 4, your secret edge. And that is to research the company in advance. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes to research about the company you're trying to apply for. Because at least learning one thing about them is good enough. An example additional answer. I saw your team values customer satisfaction. I love to join your company because I love helping other people and improving processes. This shows that you have the initiative to do the work in advance, and it also shows that you are genuine and authentic enough to join and be part of their company. Now again, if you want to have a free one-on-one call center training with me, just message me the number 1 on my Facebook page. There's a link on the description box below. With that being said, I wish you best of luck to your success.